Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. My name is Shamar Clark. Look. There's going to be swearing, smoking, and drinking on here. If you don't like those things, leave now, because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Brothers, bang, bang, bang. I'm sorry this took so long. You will not believe the bullshit I had to go. I almost had to go buy a new laptop just now. I did this. Well, I didn't do the show yet. I was about to do the show this morning, usual time, 3:30. Sat down here to do it. Bang! I look down. My thing's on. It's saying it's on battery. So I'm like plugging it in and out. Like, what are you talking about? My battery thing died. And then, but the screen was still working, right? Like, obviously, it hadn't run out of juice yet. And then all of a sudden, it just died. Like, straight up, gone. It's gone. So I have another laptop. Well, this one that I'm using now. So I bring this one out. I'm like, all right, whatever. I don't give a fuck. Well, I'll just load up the software. Bang, plug in the peripherals, the cameras, and this. Should work, right? Well, of course, technology's not that easy. So I sat here for hours and hours and hours. Finally, let's just get real. What I had to do to this machine, I just factory reset it. I just said, fuck this. I'm just going to factory reset it. And I'm going to leave it as a dedicated machine to just do this. Then I'll go get another laptop. But I was this close to getting another laptop this morning. I was like, fuck this. Anyways, guys, it's now 10:24 in the a.m. Bang, mission accomplished. They thought they could keep me away. Nice try. You know who's always on duty. Bang! So today, we've got an interesting show. So there were a couple. So it's a weird show. It's going to be a little strange show. So there were two little mistakes that happened in the media last week. And so we're going to talk about both of them. I'm guilty of one. I read one. So we're going to talk about that. And so we're going to talk. So that includes that. And it's funny because it happens to both of the tokens. The mistakes are with Stellar and Ripple. So I'm going to read those to you. And then, so I hope this is working. If the sound is off or anything like that, man, I'll figure that out tomorrow. I'm doing this one time and one time only. So look. But speaking of Ripple, Currency Matters joins WorldWire. Yes, indeed. So they got another customer already. So last Friday they got a customer. Bang, WorldWire Currency Matters has joined up as a customer as well. Everything's looking good. And then, now, this is something, I know. It sounds fucked up, but I'm going to explain it to you, man. Don't worry about this shit. Yeah, I know you've heard about it. The Bitcoin market manipulation, that most of the volume is Fugazi. Yeah, dudes, we already knew that from last year. I didn't really bring it up because I didn't want to fuck with anybody's brain. But don't worry, man. I'm going to explain to you what that Bitwise thing is really about, all right? And it's actually a good thing. I know, it sounds counterintuitive, but believe me, guys, it's a good thing, what they did. And the truth is the truth. Most of the volume that we're seeing right now is a bunch of bullshit. It's wash trading and all that kind of crap from the exchanges. So, that doesn't matter. What matters is that blockchains work and the institutions are going to come here, all right? That's what the institution cares about. They don't give a fuck if some exchange over there is wash trading. They don't give a shit. They didn't come here to invest in an exchange. They came here to invest in that blockchain right there. And as long as that blockchain's working well, they're good to go. So look, brothers, let's get on. So my controls. So if this is a fucked up video, believe me, guys, it's a brand new computer. I haven't used it yet for this. So my other computer had a nice keypad and all that over there. This one's kind of a smaller, more. I bought this one sort of to travel with. You know, it's like a lightweight, really thin and all this. So I have to. So let me just make sure. So bang is how we usually begin. And then we go like this. We go bang. And then I'm probably going to have to keep verifying just to make sure this is working. Bang! We are on the screen. Nice. Yes. Bang, brothers. Look. All right. This is working. You don't know how many hours, man. Fuck. All right. So let's just begin. Enough with my worry. Enough of my trouble. Let's go, brothers. Look. Oh, that's how we normally do. Oh, and it's good to be doing it. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin, Tether, Stellar, Cardano, and you see? Yeah, it's all, the screen is messed up. Before, my screen only used to give me the top 10. Now it's going down to 12. All right, so this, but on the screen over here, it only shows you 9. Why is it doing that? Well, let me see if I can do something. Yeah, if I move it up. Oh, if I go like that. All right, so there you go. Top 10, bang. All right, guys, let's look at, I'm going to have to go back and forth and really master this on the new computer. So look, what do we usually do? Yeah. Oh, yeah, market moves of the day, brother. So, we didn't even refresh. Hold on. What are you doing, brother? Oh, yeah, we didn't even mention it. Yeah, so, yeah, we just skipped under 4,000 again, right? Just squeezed under there. I'm not worried about that. Bitcoin is such a thing that, a $200 range is usually is what I consider normal because it's so volatile right now. So anything in the 3 9s to 4 1s is sort of, to me, it's the same price. If that makes sense to you. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but it doesn't mean fuck all to me. You know what I mean? Like if it had, gone from 4 to, 3 4. Ooh, well that's something. But this from 4 to 3 9, fuck off. It's no big deal. So don't worry about it, brothers. All right, come on, let's go. What are we doing? Yes, market moves of the day. So single digits up, single digits down. Man, I really got to configure this computer. Figure single digits up to single digits down. On the screen that I'm looking at right now, there is so much information, but then when I go over here, I mean, you can't see what I'm doing, but I can go into the software here. I can see it's so small. What the fuck? Anyway, I'll configure it tomorrow night. It'll be better. We'll keep upgrading and doing it better. So look, single digits up to single digits down. All right, brothers. I gotta look at where the keys are. All right. So what do? We do our usual top 10 on sale today, brothers. Look. Bang. What's on sale? Top 10 on sale today, brothers. Wait. ABBC coin, Raven coin. 11%. All right, not much on sale. So ABBC coin, Raven coin, Cryptocom.chain, Cubitica, Qcoin shares, Project Pi, Digibyte, Steam, Tezos, Engine coin, and bang, VeChain. All right. Top 10 winners of the day. Bang, look at you, Enigma. All right, so top 10 winners of the day. Enigma, Wakey Chain, Pivx, Repo, Basic Attention, Zcoin, Cardano, Ox, Walton Chain, Wax, Kyber Network, and Stratus. All right. So let's look at the market cap. 137. Nice. Ooh, nice volume. 35 billion. Sweet. It is kind of sweet, but it is kind of, when you have high volume and then it goes down, yeesh. Sometimes that can be a sign of short sellers. All right, brothers. Look. Let's get to the story. So, last week I told you guys that Thune was working with Western Union and they were going to use XRP. Actually, nope. So, here's the announcement from Thune website itself. Thune said that blah, 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 they have a partnership together. And they do. That's true. But news has been, so this is what the guy says, news has been circulating that this partnership is powered by Stellar Blockchain, and we want to confirm that information is factually incorrect, and this is not the case. The partnership with Western Union is 100% powered by the Thune proprietary API network and has no connection to blockchain. So, that was mistake number 1 of last week. Yeesh, that's a bummer. That Western Union thing was so good. Don't worry, I got one for you, Stellar lovers. Yes, Dino, bang. I still got more. And so last week also, though this weekend, well, Ripple got caught in the act. Ripple, not XRP. Spanish banking giant Santander clarifies the crypto confusion. So this weekend, I guess someone asked the Santander guy, how's it going with the XRP? And this guy answered. So hold on, check this out. Santander Bank wrongly gave Ripple fans, hope when a member of its support team tweeted the following on Friday. So this guy, Wes, he asked the Santander guys, hi. Anyway, he can't speak very good English. how are you guys getting on with using XRP for payments is basically what he asked. And so Santander said, hey, Wes, we're doing great. We're using XRP for international payments to 18 EU countries and the USA. This is on our iPhone app called OnePayFX. So obviously Ripple lovers went crazy. Yes, motherfucker. I think some Ripple lover tweeted me that shit. I was like, get the fuck out of here. And so, because I know that's a bunch of bullshit because Santander's already having trouble with Xcurrent right now. You're definitely not going to go to XRapid. So earlier versions of Xcurrent didn't necessarily require the use of XRP. The current version 4.0 also doesn't require it, but it makes it much easier according to a document posted on Ripple. Obviously, they want them to use it. Of course, they're going to tell them it's easier. So, blah, blah, blah. We all know about Xcurrent. It does the liquidity, blah, blah, blah. It'll be the bridge. Well, XRapid will be the bridge. Xcurrent is the messaging system. So, but then Santander was relatively quick to post a correction about that. So, the person said, blah, 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 the 18 countries in that. Oh, Ripple lovers. And then Santander had to reply, we're sorry. Unfortunately, due to our misunderstanding, we've given incorrect information. We do apologize for the confusion this has caused. OnePayFX uses Xcurrent only. You can find out more here. And so you can go there and find out. So, two big things, right? Like, right? Stellar folk, me too. I was like, fuck off. Western Union, that's the big one. The remitter of the world, right? We've all used it. I was like, oh my gosh, here it goes for real. But no, they're not using that. They're not using Stellar. And then when I read when the guy tweeted me the Santander thing, I almost gave Garlinghouse a second thought. But then a couple hours later, someone tweeted me something else. And I was like, yeah, you motherfuckers. I knew it. I knew it. So, yep. Sorry, Ripple lovers. No Santander. And us Stellar lovers. We don't have Santander, but you know what we do have? Bang! Currency Matters has joined the IBM blockchain WorldWire. So, more customers on the way for the WorldWire project. Bang, ticka, bang, bang, bang. So don't fear, Stellar lovers. Unfortunately, Ripple lovers. See, you see, that's the difference, right? You Stellar lover, you feel down a little bit. Oh, I thought that was ours, right? But then the next day, bang, look. So the WorldWire network is poised to support more than 50 countries with 20 currencies and more than 30 banking endpoints. Yes. Oh, that's what it sounded like Santander was saying Ripple was going to do. Well, unfortunately, Ripple, it is what it is. Look. Foreign exchange specialist Currency Matters announced it will join. So it announced. So, Shmori, how do you know this one's not a Fugazi thing? Because actually I made sure, and they gave the press announcement. Currency Matters themselves said they're going to join. It wasn't some crypto web. I told you I hate these crypto websites, man. They're so lame. It wasn't some crypto website saying, they're going to join the WorldWire. It was them. They came out with the press release saying, hey, guys, we're going to join WorldWire. IBM, new client for a WorldWire. So, foreign exchange specialist, Currency Matters. Remember, ain't shit free, brothers. Ain't shit free around this motherfucker. Look. Foreign exchange specialist Currency Matters announced it will join IBM WorldWire, blockchain WorldWire, my bad, a real-time global payments network for regulated financial institutions designed to optimize and accelerate foreign exchange remittance services. Yes, we've been reading about that. We all know about it. Okay, they have access. So by now connecting to the WorldWire network, Currency Matters now has access to a single unified network for foreign exchange and cross-border payments, clearing, and settlement built on blockchain technology and the Stellar Public Protocol. This will allow Currency Matters to offer clients the ability to conduct transactions across additional currency corridors and provide access to new digital assets, including stable coins using Stellar Lumens. Look, stable coins. What did I just read? What? Oh, man. Anyway, whatever. So we all know what WorldWire does, right? Like, blah, blah, blah. It sends money around from through the banks, right? We don't have to talk all about that. Blah, blah, blah. It'll move money. This is great in real time. It's a revolution for blockchain, all that stuff. So the WorldWire network is poised to support more than 50 countries with 20 plus currencies and more than 50 banking endpoints. Bang! With the network financials actively growing. Yes. And that's the thing. New customers. New what? Paying customers, brothers. Paying customers. I'm not gonna lie to you. I watched the Saturday show that I just did. That I did on Saturday. I'm happy that I said that shit to you guys, right? I'm really happy that I got that out of the way, right? Instead of just saying doing something, right? I gotta say it proper, right? Generating revenue. So, bang, here's bang, a little bit more revenue getting generated for IBM and Stellar with their blockchain worldwide banking takeover. Yeah. So, okay, now this is the important story though. So that story, those two stories were just like, the first stories where they clear up the mistakes of last week. Obviously, Stellar, we're going to keep an eye on it. Sounds like people keep signing up to this WorldWire thing. Of course, what do you think happens? Right? When Garlinghouse goes into a bank and is like, hey guys, I got this thing called XRP. Man, believe me, man, it's going to be great. We're going to use it. It'll save you money and all that. They're like, all right, buddy. Right? When IBM fucking sends their sales force in, it's a whole other atmosphere. Right? When IBM walks into your bank, they're like, look, we got some new stuff. You know, the banker's interested. Like, really? Yeah, we got something that's going to save you money. Well, you know a bankster. You talk about saving money. Really? Yeah, when IBM walks in a place, they're like, yeah, we got this new thing. Why don't you sign up? It's going to save you 30%. We'll build you a stable coin on top of it. Sure. You know what I mean? Like IBM, that's what it is. If Stellar went around and tried to do what Garlinghouse did, tried to do himself, Jed McCaleb going himself from bank to bank begging, they'd have been like, look, crypto nerd, get the fuck out of here. Yeah, but when an IBM guy walks in and is like, look, I got this blockchain thing, man. It's the new revolution. Yeah, well, you believe that shit. It's IBM. I mean, literally, IBM created the computer, right? Right? International Business Machines is what it stands for. I mean, so when they walk into the bank, yeah, it holds weight. Holds weight, man. And that's why people are going to just keep. I should have a list. Maybe I will. Let's see how many more people. If people keep signing up, I won't just have a list of champion nations. I'll have a list of blockchain WorldWire clients. Yeah, we'll keep a list. I think they're going to be joining up big time. When an IBM guy walks in your office, come on, man. It's a whole different game than when just Garlinghouse walks in there, all cryptoed out. So look, all right, so that's that. And so now we're going to, so let's get to here, though, first. Bang. Let me just make sure this thing is actually recording here. All right, it looks like it's doing it. Wait, looks like it's working. Let's just move that over. See, the windows are all fucked. Are you guys seeing the whole title or not? In my thing here, it looks like I'm... There we go, a little bit like that. All right, guys, sorry about all this. You guys, I told you, man, my shit, look, I was literally about to go buy a laptop about 2 hours ago, man. I was on Best Buy's website even. Yeah, I even called Best Buy. All right. All right, guys, so look. Bitcoin market resolute against manipulation, claims Bitwise report. Dismisses SEC's concerns. So you've heard about this report probably, maybe. If not, well, I'll tell you about it. So what they did was they analyzed every fucking exchange, right? They did this last year, not Bitwise, but other companies have done this. So this is nothing new. This story is not new. So don't get afraid when you heard that, if you heard that this weekend. Yeah, man. It's not that there's market manipulation. I mean, there is market manipulation, but not in prices. It's in the the exchanges aren't manipulating the prices of coins. They're manipulating the volume, right? They want to show that they have volume so they can be put on here, coin market cap, because coin market cap drives it just drives investors there. Like people go to coin market cap and they look up the exchanges, and they actually will choose the exchanges based on coin market cap. So all of these exchanges around the world, they're bullshitting their numbers so that on CoinMarketCap is the single largest crypto website on earth right now. Yes. And so they're all battling to get higher in the rankings. And so what they've been doing is bullshitting. Just bullshitting because it goes by volume, right? The volume that your exchange does. So they've been bullshitting their volume. They haven't been stealing from you or anything, so don't think like that. They've just been bullshitting their volume, so they appear at the top of the coin market cap list. And, they figure, and they do, and people join their exchange because CoinMarketCap has them up in the rankings. Okay, so that's what's been going on. So don't, if you hear like these crazy little crypto fuckers, oh, market manipulation, that they're not manipulating the markets in terms of the prices. They're manipulating the markets in terms of volume to make it look like they're doing more. But that doesn't affect price, okay? All right, it's just that they keep the price the same. They just keep adding all these more trades, right? So the trade goes on and off instant. It doesn't move any price. Okay? All right. I mean, look, man, look up wash trading. That's one of the techniques, and but they do other techniques like the one I just told you where they'll just, their computers will just buy and sell, like say a Bitcoin instantly. Yeah, well, that counts as a trade. That's volume, right? Yeah, man. So don't worry about it. It's not the price. So if you read some shit out there, because I read a couple websites this weekend and they were like, oh, price manipulation. It's not price manipulation. It's volume manipulation, which affects us in no way at all. Now, you could say, well, Shamari, it shows that, and I guess, and you have a point, and you do have a point. You do have a point. Our daily volume is really just something like 50 billion, right? Yeah, but like I told you guys, it doesn't matter. What matters is that these blockchains are doing something, so when the institutional investors arrive, they'll buy it. They'll buy that coin, which is a representation of the stock of the company, right? So volumes don't matter. What matters is true market manipulation, and that's what we need to get the SEC to realize that is figured out so that we can get these ETFs and these futures and stuff like that. All right, brothers, all right. So I just wanted to, if you got fudded by this, not fudded, that's not the word. If you got scared by this, look, man, just believe me, man. I'm a 19-year investor. These little crypto sites, these guys are a bunch of fucking nerds. They don't know anything. They hear something like that and they're just making up stuff in their head. Oh my gosh, it must be the price. Oh my gosh, they must be doing all this and all. And they expand out from there. Like, no, dick, they're just manipulating their volume. Like, settle down. Okay? So let's read on now, brothers. Well, let me get a sip first, though. So you get what I'm saying, though, guys? Right? Someone hears a story and they take it. That's like the Thune thing. That's what happened with the Thune, the Stellar with Western Union. Yeah, Thune and Stellar are working together on some stuff. Yeah, but Thune is working with Western Union on that. Like, and whatever that crypto site was, right? They just assume, oh, well, just because Thune is working with Stellar, that means if Thune is with Western Union, well, Stellar must be. You see what I'm like? It's bullshit. Like, oh, they're extrapolating stuff that is not verified. I can't wait till the Wall Street Journal and those boys get in here, man. We start having proper news, man. Oh, verified data. Unbelievable, man, these sites. They're pathetic. The purists in the traditional financial market realm have always believed that Bitcoin can be controlled via a powerful computer network. Where do they get that from? Anyways, a recent Bitwise report has, however, calmed allegations that the Bitwise market is prone to market manipulation. You see, this is the truth. That what they showed about the manipulation of the volume, yeah, proves that Bitcoin isn't being manipulated. Watch. The way these guys wrote it, it's some fucked up shit. So I'm just going to explain it to you, but I'm going to read it to you, but then I'll just say it to you with my own words because, I don't know, some of these sites, I don't think these guys are really English. I don't think English is their native tongue sometimes. So they say things wrong. Yeah, well, one wrong word could send a story a whole way, motherfucker. Yeah, well, fuck. The report filed by Bitwise Asset Management was presented before the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, in line with the recent application for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. Oh, wait, let me make sure. Hold on. Oh, can you guys hear this? Hold on, let me turn up the volume. Yo, 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 check. All right. Yee, shit, I had the volume turned down there. Fuck, I hope you guys heard that. I've been talking for a long time, and I'm not doing this again. Oh, okay, I'll have to hit you up tomorrow if you didn't hear all that. Or just turn up the volume on your shit. Look. The report filed by Bitwise Asset Management was presented before the U.S. All right, we talked about that in the ETF. Market manipulation within the crypto market has always been a concern to the SEC. Exactly. In fact, that's the last concern. We've talked about it a million times here. All right, what are they? They cared about the anti-money laundering, terrorist financing, and market manipulation. Yo, the money laundering and terrorist financing is done. We're left to one last little son of a gun right here to get over, and then, boom, the floodgates open. The regulatory body in subsection 5 of Section 6B of the Exchange Act states that exchanges are designed to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts and practices to promote just and equitable principles of trade. Exactly. You know, that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to, yeah, you know, exchanges will rat you out if they catch you manipulating. Yeah, they call the SEC, and the SEC will go arrest you. Well, they send the cops, I'm sure the FBI probably or something like that. Anyways, look, the SEC often cited this subsection while referring to the volatile industry as being prone to frauds and scams. Bitwise gave two arguments to satisfy the SEC Exchange Act of 1934, namely, unique resistance against manipulation and fraud, and a surveillance sharing agreement with a regulated market of a certain size. The investment firm, based on historical cases, added that the regulated surveillance sharing reason was a primary consideration. So I think when they speak of surveillance sharing, I think that's sort of like the, you know how NASDAQ, right? Yeah, NASDAQ watches. How many do we read about, right? It was like 4,100 exchanges worldwide, right? For different asset classes and that. And I think that's what they're trying to say there. Like, you know, surveillance sharing, I guess. You're going to use NASDAQ's. I mean, I'm not saying they're going to use NASDAQ's surveillance thing because it could be chain analysis. Remember, we read about chain analysis. That's another surveillance technology out there that monitors the markets. And that's a big bad boy one. The DEA uses that. The FBI uses that. So, but that's what I think they're trying to say. All right. So the report claimed that the Bitcoin market is protective against manipulation. And critically, that there is a significant regulated and surveilled market for Bitcoin futures. So in their defense, the top cryptocurrency's lack of susceptibility to market manipulation, Bitwise claimed that Bitcoin is the first digital commodity in the history of the world. Here, it should be noted that the reports hail Bitcoin as a commodity and not as an asset. All right, and then they get into real technical stuff there. Don't worry about all that. It must be noted that all the exchange volume analysis is based on the... Okay, and so what they did was this. They analyzed all the exchanges, and they're like, yeah, there's only 10 exchanges that are actually recording their actual true volume, right? And so let's read. It must be noted that all the exchanges volume analysis is based on the figures of 10 exchanges as they record actual volume, according to Bitwise. I mean, this is according to their analysis. The exchanges on the list are Binance, Bitfinex, Kraken, Bitstamp, Coinbase, Bitflyer, Gemini, Itbit, Bittrex, and Poloniex. Those motherfuckers right there, that's the real shit. And so also what I want to show you is that what these guys, it doesn't say it in this story, but I was looking into it all, obviously, throughout the whole weekend. I was like, what the, you know, because I knew I was going to have to talk to you guys about this. I didn't want you guys to get freaked out. And so what they showed is that, yeah, there's a whole bunch of exchanges out there around the world that are unregulated. But look at these. Our exchanges here in America are good to go. And that's what they showed, that our exchanges aren't being manipulated. Do you see? And so while they sort of ratted out on everybody, yeah, man, SEC, everybody's manipulating. They also said, but look, SEC, our guys aren't. And what do we need, brothers? Price discovery. So if these guys apply for their ETF and they say, yeah, we're only going to use American exchanges for price discovery. Well. Look. look. I'm not saying it's going to happen for sure, but I think I know that's the angle that they're trying to hit the SEC with. Like, look, motherfuckers, we won't use any other numbers from anywhere. Only regulated American numbers. And a bunch of them at once, right? So the report added these new unique features allow the Bitcoin market to be uniquely resistant to manipulation in critical ways. And that shows the proof. right? The market's not manipulated in terms of price. Yeah, guys, okay? Bitwise juxtaposed the ability of the top cryptocurrencies to resist market manipulations to scandals that have plagued, the markets over the past few years. The report highlighted 4 key incidents, including the LIBOR scandal of 2012. That was when those London boys, they fucked with the they were fucking with the exchange rates. That was serious, man. That shocked me. The global forex scandal of 2013. I don't know what they're talking about. The Goldfix scandal of 2014. Yeesh. And the ASIC scandal of 2017. Well, not familiar. In all the aforementioned scandals, the common elements were a deliberate attempt at manipulating the market by large financial institutions, resulting in heavy fines levied on the culprits. Yo, those LIBOR guys, I think they got thrown in jail. They were just a couple traders doing it too. LIBOR is the London interbanking rate. And so, banks lend each other money, right? Like, if I'm JP Morgan and I need, like, to borrow $50 billion, I can call up Charles Schwab and be like, yo, Charles, man, just lend me $50 billion. He'd be like, all right. And so when a bank lends you money, it's usually, you got to pay, 5, 6, 7, 8% interest rate or whatever, right? Yeah. When they lend to each other, they charge each other like 1% or like 0.8%. You know what I mean? Like that. It's a gentleman's thing. I mean, you still got to pay each other, right? Like Charles Schwab doesn't just, here, buddy, have the money for free. It's still a business, I mean, they're not being friends with each other. They're still making money. But they do it in such a way that, you never know. If you're Charles Schwab, well, you might need $50 billion down the road. So you don't want JP Morgan to gouge you. So they do it that way, right? And so those London traders, I don't know how they did it, man. But obviously, I'm not big like that. But they fucking fucked with the LIBOR rate. And they went to jail, I believe. If I remember. I mean, that was years ago. That was, like it said, 2012. That was like 7 years ago. I don't remember exactly, but ugh. And it was a big deal in the forex market. All right, anyways, man, luck. Let's get back to you and your money. Sorry, guys. So the common thing was that the financial institutions were trying to rip people off. All right, there we go. So the traits of fungibility and transportability in the virtual currency market allowed the creation of arbitrage in the market. The opportunities for investors to make a quick buck due to price disparity between exchanges was reported by Bitwise as being negligible. All right, so you know what arbitrage is, right? Arbitrage is, I have an asset, I can buy it over here in America at, say a Microsoft share. I can buy a Microsoft share here in America, say, for $100. These are just made-up numbers. Don't get angry at me. Microsoft, some fucking guy got angry at me the other day when I was talking about SingularityNet, and I was telling you guys, like, it was like 0.0. He's like, what the fuck, man? It started at 10 cents. All right, dick, I got the price wrong. Settle down, motherfucker. The point of SingularityNet is that I have a robot that talks. What the hell? Don't worry about the price. All right, so look, about what I said the price was. And so, arbitrage. And so what arbitrage is here in America, I can buy a Microsoft stock for $100. Yeah, well, over in France, it might be $105, $10, whatever, right? And so what I do here so this is for hedge fund guys. Hedge fund guys have accounts all over the world in many, many, many exchanges of the world, right? And so that's why when they find an arbitrage opportunity, right? So an arbitrage opportunity is something where Microsoft is $100 here, it's $110 in France. Yeah, so I buy fucking like 1 million Microsoft shares, and then I go over to France real quick, sell them, right? And I make the $10 difference. That's arbitrage, you know what I mean? You make the difference, but the truth is these guys go arbitrage way even worse. Like, they have these computers that have algorithms, and they're hedge funds, so they're tapped right into the computers of the exchanges of the country that they're licensed to do hedge fund work in, right? And so, they have algorithms that the computers just look. Like, as soon as a stock goes up, or anything, or arbitrage anything, you can arbitrage anything. I mean, anything, as long as it's more money there than there, it's arbitrage. And and the computers just, quick, as soon as, like, they have it programmed for, say, any share with a 5 cents difference, and they'll tell the algorithm to just do it for them. Like, buy 1 million, sell it at whatever exchange is the better arbitrage opportunity. I know, guys, it's fucked up, man. Their computers make these guys millions of dollars. Like, I mean, a week. Millions of dollars a week. It's fucking disgusting when you really know the numbers of how much money is being made. All right. But that's arbitrage. So I really just wanted to teach you about arbitrage right there. The opportunities for investors to make a quick buck, due to the price disparity between exchanges, was reported as negligible. And so that's what Bitwise is saying. Bitwise told the SEC, look, yeah, guys are arbitraging, but that ain't doing much. So given this dominance of market participants, global liquidity can stand in the way of market manipulation, increasing the inability of the market to fall prey to any sort of voluntary change. Or involuntary, I think is what they're trying to say. Anyways, I think what they're trying to say, that's what these fucking people don't write properly, man. Okay, and this is a good point, actually. I should have highlighted this. Bitcoin's spread of volume and distributed market will prevent one exchange from holding the coin's price hostage. Of the 10 exchanges considered, no one exchange had pure dominance in terms of Bitcoin volume. Binance accounted for the highest volume, chalking up 40.47%, as was followed by Bitfinex and Kraken with 13.94% and 11.67%, respectively. The report concluded by saying, the spot Bitcoin... All right, here we go. The spot Bitcoin, you guys know what spot is. That's what we are. We buy on the spot. There's spot and there's OTC. Yes. The spot. You buy what the price is right now on the spot. OTC, well, if you have enough money, you get to negotiate with motherfuckers. Look, the spot Bitcoin market is highly fractured amongst 10 exchanges, and no exchange has a majority share. This contributes to Bitcoin's unique resistance to market manipulation. As any attempt to manipulate the market must either be coordinated synchronously across multiple exchanges or must involve a significant spike in volume on a single exchange. Exactly. Look, you can do this two ways if you want to be a market manipulator. Yeah, you got to manipulate the market on every single one of these. We talked about this before, but I really want this to sink in, especially after the bullshit I'm sure some of you read. I don't want you to get, getting all paranoid. Yeah, man, you see these guys they're not doing that. They're not doing anything to your money. They're just trying to make themselves look good. Right. So, but anyways, this is what's so beautiful is that, right, you'd have to synchronize your attack across multiple exchanges at once. Yeah, well, with the software we have now, like that thing, Chainalysis and NASDAQ's new market watching, all that, you'd get busted right away. And, but the other solution would be to involve just a single exchange. Yeah, well, come on, dude. You're again going to get busted right away. In fact, the exchange itself would probably flag your account, never mind, for some sort of nefarious behavior. So what I guess I'm trying to say is that these guys, and what I think they're doing, so let's just do this. So what I think these guys are telling the SEC is, look, and we talked about this before, price discovery. We talked about this last year even, right? Price discovery. I think what these guys are going to do is combine. They're going to tell the SEC, look, we'll take the price from every single, well, those 10 exchanges we looked at. We'll aggregate their price, and that will be our price discovery. So they've admitted to the SEC, yeah, all those other exchanges are bullshitters. But these guys aren't bullshitters. And as you can see, price hasn't been being manipulated on them. And so let me combine the price of all 10, aggregate it, average it, I guess, right? You just average price. And that'll be the price of our Bitcoins. And I believe it's for an ETF, right? These guys are going for an ETF. Let's see. Yeah. So they're going for an ETF right here. So, and I think that's what they're going to do. They're going to tell them, don't worry about market manipulation. We're going to discover price from all 10 of the trusted exchanges. And, that should be good enough. So let's see what the SEC says about that, brother. So look, bang, let's get the shout-outs and airdrops. Bang. Yeah, so that was a bummer, man. Dino sent me this through airdrop. Oh, son of a bitch. I'm not going to lie, I was like, oh, really? And it pisses me off because, like, where I'm from, the Wall Street Journal and shit, they don't make mistakes like this. Like, they don't, you know what I mean? They got data for your bitch ass motherfucker. They have, double, triple, quadruple, what do you call that? When they have to do they have to verify, right? Yeah, they get 4 verifications before they even, right? In America, 2 verifications is what the news media needs to put out something. If they don't have 2, then you can sue them for libel, right? If they say something, if they're like, "Oh, Shamari's a fucking asshole," yeah, well, I can sue them for that, right? But if they have 2, well, that's not true. That's not the asshole thing. But if Shamari robbed a bank, right? Yeah, well, I can sue them for that. I didn't rob a bank. What are you talking about? Bang! Not illegally anyway. And so I could sue them for that, right? But if they have 2 verified things, you're not allowed. Well, you could sue them, but you're not going to win, right? And so the Wall Street Journal, they go the extra, right? Because there's billions of dollars involved, right? Yeah, CEOs read Wall Street Journal. Where do you think the CEOs get their news from? Yeah, the Wall Street Journal. Right? They just doesn't float to them in their head out of the nowhere. Yeah, they read it just like us, right? And so they demand. And they got the billions to demand, boy. They got the millions to demand accuracy, son. They're putting up billions of dollars based on some of that stuff. They don't got no time to have many mistakes like this. So that was a little bit, that was upsetting. But anyway, someone will get that Western Union thing. So Ripple, looks like you're still in the hunt. Bang! All right. All right, shout-outs and airdrops. Brothers, let's get you back to your wives. Oh, there's our brother again. Bang! Bang! Big Kong Kong. Oh, and I even texted you guys, or tweeted. I even tweeted you guys tonight. Yeah, guys, sorry, no show tonight. Look. Shamari's on duty. They thought they could shut me down? What? Yo, I was all in the guts. Registry. Everything. Look. All right, guys. So, Bitcoin Kong. Bang. We got Crypto Carlito. All right. Look. Don't let it happen again. Take some of those gains and buy a new computer, you. Son of a bitch. Who are you calling a son of a bitch? You don't get to call me that. That's only what Wrong Kids gets to call me. But bang, I like your comment anyway because it's so true. I tell you, I was this close. Best Buy. I'm not going to tell you where I live, but there's a Best Buy here on South Beach, and it's not far. I was just about to head there. So look, you, Crypto Carlito. Yes, sir. All right, who else we got? Crypto J. Bang. Look. See you, brother. DP Entertainment. Bang. See you, brother. Yes, Lisa girl. Bang. See you, girl. Yes, the darkness has arrived. I've never really left even. Bang. Edwin. Bang. Yes, Radster. Bang. Yes. Wrong hairs. I see him already, that son of a bitch. Where is he? Hold on, let me get my mouse down there. Man, this computer's a little... Wrong hairs. You son of a... Oh, wait, where is he? There he is. Wrong hairs, you son of a bitch. Bang. Yes. Oh, and look at DP Entertainment said, look, you get a pass, brother. Bang. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the understanding. Yes, but look. If they think they can keep Shamari away. Oh, and this shit you guys sent me on the weekend. Hold on. This is some funny stuff. All right, so Hurricane Master. Bang. Holy, my neighbors are... It's fucking 11 in the morning right now. Well, at least I'm not yelling like I usually yelling at you guys at 4 in the morning. Look, Crypto Times. Bang. See you, brother. Look at this, that Biniam Gazai. Look at this motherfucker. Yo, one thing I love about Europeans is they love their soccer. Like, I mean, this shit is a religion. When I lived in Berlin, when I lived in Germany, there was the European Cup, and it was held in Germany in 2000. And look, the cops, the Berlin police, they called in all these police from all around the city, around Berlin, all the neighboring cities, and they put out warnings to these British motherfuckers. You Brits are crazy. They're called hooligans. British people are called hooligans. And their team, like, say, Manchester United, Leeds, whatever. They got a whole bunch of teams, obviously. It's a whole country. Man U is the one I know about her. Liverpool. You know, that one, too. I used to drink with a couple dudes back in the days. So, yeah. And these motherfuckers don't play. And they have a gang called hooligans. Each team has a group of guys that fight each other at the end of the game. Yeah, they battle in the streets. I mean, not every time, but yeah, pretty much. If you see someone wearing the wrong colors, look. They're violent. So Germany, when I was there, Germany sent out all these reports. Look, you hooligans, don't come here. We will have zero tolerance. All this kind of shit. I was like, wow. So look at this guy, though. So this shows you, this is the love. And all Europeans are like this. All Europeans love their soccer fans. Love their soccer. Yes, they love their Ronaldo and their Messi. And all of these guys, Xavi, and I don't even remember all the names. But look. So watch this fucker right here. This is my favorite. This is one of my favorite memes I've ever seen. Watch this guy lose his shit. And look, guys. When these investors get here, bang! Once the tsunami hits, bang! This is exactly what the fuck you're going to look like. Watch this. Yes. He's just losing his complete shit. His whole mind is gone. The whole mind is gone. There is nothing but emotion, right? All thought processes, all relevant thinking, cognitive thought has left this man. Look at him. That's what it's going to be like, brothers. Yes. So when the tsunami hits, brothers, you guys remember the Litecoin dude losing his shit on here the other day? What was that, about a month ago? Okay, guys, okay. All right, brothers, let's get you to your wives' lives. Come on. All right, guys, holy. Smart Eco City, bang. Wait, hold on. The Smart City Network is, oh my gosh, look, I have literally tears in my eyes. Holy, that was hilarious. Oh my gosh, I've never seen someone just lose their complete faculties like that. Anyway, whatever. Smart City, love you. Bang, see you. Oh, and this is what Biederman sold me. What was this again? What was this one again? Oh, the 5G network and the Internet of Things. Yes. Oh my gosh. But it was about something. Oh, VeChain. Look. So, VeChain's partner. Oh, not partnered. We got to stop saying this partnership shit. I'm going to still, Well, they are in a partnership with Logosphere, a leading supply chain risk management and major logistics insurance platform in China with over 2,500 corporate clients. The logistics insurance market is estimated to be $50 billion globally. And anyways, what he said is that Logosphere and VeChain are bang on that Belt and Road thing. If you guys don't know what Belt and Road is, that's that big Chinese project. China is trying to build a new infrastructure, global infrastructure called the Belt and Road. It basically connects China to everywhere with all of these different highways and roads. It's literal road. And, the Italians, they just signed on to the Belt and Road. I believe that was last Friday they just signed on. And people aren't so happy because what China is doing is if you sign on to Belt and Road, they give you a lot of incentives to start. Yeah, but you owe them money. So now they own you, right? Later on down the road. And so, we in America not we, I don't give a fuck, but the American government is trying to get people not to do it. The Europeans didn't do it, but Italy, they got some wild-ass government over there, man. A bunch of crazies. I think they're called like 5-star or some crazy shit, man. So they signed up. All right, though. So look, go read about Belt and Road. It's serious. That's the big deal, brothers. Well, a big deal. There's plenty. Oh, Poppy Wood, bang. Oh, he changed his shit again? This guy's always changing his shit. What does he got now? RX Market. Oh, I think that's probably a T behind there. Tron Market. Poppy. All right, Poppy Wood. Love you, brother. All right, that's everybody. Yes, all the usual suspects. Oh, there's Dino. Bang! And he's the one who sent me the thing about, he's the one who sent me this. Yeah. Don't worry, Dino. Because I just sent you something. Bang! Yeah, that's what I sent you. I sent you a bang to replace the bang we just lost. No worries. Bang! We'll replace it with this bang. Look. All right, guys, let's get you back to your wives' lives. Yes, let's chill this. Let's kill this. Yes. All right, let's see what buttons do what around here. Bang! There I am. Yes, all right. All right, I got to memorize these motherfuckers. Look, brother, so we had a good show today. So like we talked about, Santander and Ripple, no. Santander is not using XRP. And we also talked about, no, Western Union is not using Stellar. Bummer for both bummer for both transaction tokens. But silver lining for you stellar hodlers, well, you did get someone, a new client for the WorldWire project, and bang, that's going nicely, generating revenue. All right. And then, like I told you guys, that whole thing about market manipulation and lack of volume and shit, don't worry about that. That's a bunch of bullshit. It has nothing to do with us. That doesn't matter. And like I said, what matters is that these ETFs can prove to the SEC that they can do it without market manipulation. Right? Like I've told you, man, look, bang, the tsunami ain't coming until these institutional guys get here. I don't give a fuck what information we get. All I care about is that some fuckers get some approvals on their futures and their ETFs, and we'll be on our way. And plus, the trickle is already here. So look, brothers, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Let's chill and kill it. Guys, subscribe below. Please press the bell. You know I love doing this. The best time of my day. Bang. Look how many hours I just spent fixing a computer and everything. Fucking 2 machines. I was in the guts. I was in the registry of this son of a bitch. Yo, man, I have the money right here. Yeah, I had the money. Like right here. Yeah. Here you go. Think I'm playing? I was about to head to Best Buy right now. Here we go. Got $100 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, all hundreds, all hundred. Yeah. I was about to go buy that laptop right now. I was about to go buy that shit right now. But I was like, okay, man, just factory reset this one first. And if it doesn't work, well, then we'll go. Because obviously I have to get one. I mean, if this it's not going to do it, then my other computer's dead. So I was going to have to go. So I gathered up some money while it was rebooting. While it was factory resetting itself. And all I needed, and then I sat down with it once it was reset, plugged everything in, pressed enter. Boop. It's alive. Well, the point was the sound works. The sound, because there's a whole sound thing here. All right, the cameras were working, but the sound didn't. Anyways, guys, fuck enough of this shit. Anyways, that's the shit I had to go through to get you this show. So I hope you fucking appreciate it. Just kidding, motherfuckers. I love doing it. I was going to do 2 tomorrow anyway. I didn't give a fuck. I was going to go buy the new laptop. Just like, fuck it. Just go to sleep. I was going to do 2 tomorrow night. Bang, I love doing it. So look. Love doing this for you guys. Oh, shill and kill it. Right. Bang, press the bell. Press the subscription. Press the bell. And you get automatic updates whenever this shit comes out. And, that's how we do around these parts, guys. So look. This is the favorite part of my day. All right, let me make sure I have the right button. All right. Whoa. All right, we're flipping out over here. All right. It's the favorite part of my day, guys. You know I love doing this for you. Bang. It's Shamar Clark. And look, motherfuckers, when I say on duty, look. You best believe, boy. You best believe. Bang! Shamar Clark. See you tomorrow, brothers. Over and out.